Hello wonderful people of YouTube. Today I will be showing you how to make a sugar-free banana loaf. We're gonna first slice a half banana and mash 2 bananas. We set them aside. Then we add the flours in a large bowl. We need 120 grams soft wheat flour and 80 grams whole grain wheat flour. You can use 200 grams soft wheat flour in total in case you don't have whole grain wheat flour. Then we add 1 teaspoon bicarbonate of soda, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and a pinch of Himalayan pink salt. It's okay to use sea salt if you don't have Himalayan pink salt. We then chop 25 grams unsalted raw walnuts. You can also use almonds if you want, or a combination of those two. We're gonna then chop 130 grams dates. After chopping, we add everything in the bowl. It's about time to add some milk. We need 190 milliliters unsweetened almond milk, which we add slowly until the mixture is fully combined. Grease a loaf tin with a little coconut oil and line with grease-proof paper. I also grease it with a little coconut oil, but it's not necessary. Then pour the mixture into the tin. I should have preheated the oven to 170 Celsius. It's something that I forgot to do, but you won't. Bake the mixture for 40 minutes or until golden and cooked through. Allow to cool the tin for 10 minutes before turning it out. So, our banana loaf is ready. You can enjoy it with coffee or tea, and you can also spread a slice with hazelnut butter. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed. Bye!